Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video I'm gonna show you my newly bought air fryer. So yeah, I gave into the idea that air fryer is the key to healthy frying. So let's see. I got this from Cool Blue. It's a store here where you can buy electronics, computers, anything. So let's see what's inside here. This is from Tefal. Easy Fry 4.2 liters digital health fryer. So we'll see. Oops. It's quite heavy, of course, because it's XL. Took it out already from the main box kasi medyo malaki siya. But I haven't opened it yet. Join me as we open this new machine or cooking device. So there, styro to keep it safe. Then we have the manual. I'll just take out the cover. Maybe magtataka kayo why I specifically did it here, because of course I wanted to enjoy the view as well from my living room. So it's springtime and today we still have crazy weather. So actually just an hour ago my hailstorm, and then now look at that, it's like looks summertime but actually it's -1. So yeah, it's deceiving, looks blue but cold. So yes, this is how it looks like. Maybe I should focus here para mas makita niyo siya. That's how it looks like here. Let's take these off first. So it's touchscreen, of course, and here I'm not sure if, of course, you cannot see it clearly, but here you can see all the different functions. So touchscreen, so depends whether you are cooking fries or shrimps, pang seafood, and then you have for meat, and then you have for baking as well. So we will explore later on kung ano yung mga options or functions, I mean. And then here, of course, kung ilang minutes and the temperature setting. So remove before use. Just gonna open it, how it looks like inside here. See, so hindi siya ganun kalaki inside because it says this is XL, but it says it's good for 2 to 3 people. So what's inside this is here you have this. I think dito may ilalagay anything that you wanna cook. And then, but actually I also bought the trays, the air fryer accessories, which I will share in the next video probably. Depends, we'll see how long this would take. But yeah, the air fryer, so XL capacity. Here you can see that it's not only for frying, but actually you can bake or grill, depends on the different functions. That's why the manual is very important. So first look, it looks so fancy. No, not fancy. Yeah, it looks nice. It's, see how big it is. It's not super big inside, but actually yung machine niya medyo malaki because of course you need some space inside, diba? Yan. So my friends are telling me to get the air fryer, but I'm not really convinced yet. But I think yeah, this is the key to healthy frying. So the specifications, it's actually the Tefal Easy Fry 4.2 liters digital health fryer. It's a 5-year guarantee if I remember correctly. So here is the box, and I think we can see here kind of the specifications. So it's 4.2 liters. It's available in 8 preset modes. So for fries, cutlet, shrimp, cake, pizza, fish, grill, roast. So yeah, it's not only for frying, but you can roast or grill and bake as well. And then it has timer, of course, the temperature setting, and then the basket system, which I showed you earlier, non-stick coating on this part, and then dishwash safe, which is good because especially, diba, pag nagluto ka na and madaming oil, so mahirap siya linisin. So good na. Compact design, yeah. Digital touchscreen panel, and oh, sorry, correction. It says up to 6 people. Well, yeah, I like the how it looks because it's very compact, and I need to find some space in my kitchen, but I will let you know once I try this. My first ever recipe that I have in mind is lechon kawali. So I'm gonna share that with you. Lechon kawali using Tefal air fryer. So I'm gonna share with you the link in the description box where you can find the details in case you're interested to see the specifications yourself, or maybe you're convinced to buy air fryer and you're considering Tefal, because there are other brands as well like Philips, also yeah, a lot of brands actually. So I chose this one because there is like cashback guarantee as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog, and thank you for always supporting. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and stay safe and take care, guys. So I hope you and your families are okay.